Got another little update. Air filter. I have to reconnect the throttle because I have to do a little modifying. Alright. What we've done is we've taken this hose, which went on where to set it down. It's up here. Alright. So this went on here like that. This hose right here went here. Wait, no, backwards. This hose went in, so what is it, the OHV. This hose went here. How you can see it? Went to this one. Set that down. What we did was we cut the hose here into here. We just put this on here because I had the extra parts. Because, honestly, I don't know why. We have all this hooked up. I gotta figure out how to keep this from on. Does it not fall? Oh, yeah, it does. Just comes right off. So I gotta figure out a way to keep this from yeeting itself on and off. Because I could potentially just turn it on and undo it. Then turn it off. Then boom. The air filter. We need a new one because, as you can see, if I put it here, it would not fit. It's hitting in here. Also, the throttle will come down through here. I'll put a zip tie right here and it holds it on. And then it's going to be hooked up by zip ties for a temporary time. But in due time, I will set up another video. And hopefully, it should be done soon. I only need a couple more parts. New tires. I have to mount the fender. Get an exhaust. And eventually, I'm going to go from that crappy piece of crap, for a gas tank, and put this on it. But right now, this needs, come on, get off there. There we go. I need to clean up. I made charcoal. This needs cleaned up a lot. Hold on, let me just grab light. Just about dropped you. Boom. Light. This needs a lot of love, as you can see on the inside. I don't know how well you can see this. There we go. So it needs quite a bit of love on the inside. There we go. Turn it off. Also, new toolbox. More organized now. This shelf's broken, so it needs a little love, so it doesn't have much on here. Yep. And then let me move my light, which I literally put in the way. All my rigid tools. Not all of them. I still have a circular saw over there. But so far, I have started cleaning up my shop. Got a little more mess over here I gotta clean up. Organizing this. This needs a little love because right here is warping. Let me get that light back over here. Because it is starting to heat up where it shouldn't. There we go, that's way better. Kind of like around here. Have a little incident. Turn that off. Yeah, couple more videos on the motorcycle, and it won't be long till she's done. I gotta do a little more mounting on the brakes, possibly because it's only held on by one bolt. So, I don't know. Future problems. Gotta mount this. Set that over there real quick. But I gotta get a proper tensioner, which won't be hard, but she will be getting hooked up soon, so she's gonna be running bike. Not long at all. So, yeah. Not much left to do. Gotta get new tires. I have a plan. It's most likely gonna be a short, but I'm going to take this tire, which is already crap because it's got dry rot, and this is all hooked up when I get new tires, before I put them on. There's gonna be a video coming out of me doing burnouts and blowing up this tire. So, hopefully, I get to blow up the tire. Depends on how much power I get to do this. Also, we're gonna have to do tuning because, well, honestly, that tiny little brick used to be on it. There's parts here that came with the air filter. I don't know what they do. I'm a little concerned. Chinesium. Definitely not using this. I'll just get a better spark plug in the future. No, didn't put this away. Oops. Ah! Ow. Hit my leg. Oh, wrong one. That's what, Phillips? Cool. Just over here. Yep, not much left to do. She's so close to being a running bike. So close. So, yeah. I will see you guys. Oh, another thing. I have to get more cables for this. Because this needs to go from here all the way down to here. So that's probably about the length of my arm. So, zoom in. Dang, I can't zoom in. Yep, not much left to do. Probably gonna sit out here, do a little more work, listen to some music. Also, 500 views in a couple days on my short. I'm shocked. My stuff has never gone up that fast. So, yeah, I think we're gonna meet the goal of 100 subscribers relatively soon, I hope. I don't know. I think I said like 2026 is when I want to have 100 subscribers. I don't care, honestly. I just like making videos and documenting the stupidity that I do. Because I'm definitely doing burnouts on it. Also, I know it looks very disproportionate. Also, ignore the fact that it's being held up by Rubbermaid totes. But if we grab this and just kind of set it there, kind of where it would be, it looks much better. Way more proportionate. So, yep. Not much left to do. Probably possibly gonna do a Forge video in the future. I don't know. Having a little trouble getting this done. So, yeah. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.